gracious God and our Heavenly Father, we want to thank you for this day. This is indeed the day that you have made for us, and we are rejoicing for every blessings that you are blessing us today.
As the servant of God that you want God's blessing, I, on behalf of my colleague honorable members who are here, on behalf of the Nagaland Cricket Association, and on behalf of the Sobima Village Council, and all who are present here, it is my great pleasure to inaugurate this Sobima Cricket Ground.
Sir, now that the second cricket ground have been inaugurated, how about the existing stadium, the football stadium? Is there any plans to upgrade the stadium?
Down in the town.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, the whole review for completion is done with consultancy, and we are looking fund to complete with a time frame. Yes.
Sir, with regard to the shifting of DC, civil society organizations have been taking sit-in protest. So,
As Home Department had mentioned, there is no issue. In March 11, we decided to shift the Dimapur Deputy Commissioner headquartered to DC complex in Chumokidima. But there was hue and cry from the public. That's why we decided not to shift DC office, and we decided to place one ADC and sub-treasury office to ease out the congestion in the town. With the support of, that's what I'm saying, the new complex is already directed to be occupied by one ADC, and that Sidikema ESC also will support that one. And you already have a BDO office there, and one sub-treasury office will be there. And you have the passport office. So, who want to ease out and come, they are welcome. Who want to stay there, it's up to them. There is no quarrel. There is some misunderstanding and miscommunication. In the cabinet, we never discuss that district election office or NSDMA office will be shifted to Chumokidima. It is a Home Department order, and they had withhold that order by their own self. So there is no issue. If there is no issue, let us not discuss from the newspaper. Let us sit across the table and understand one another. And if you want to fight against the government, it is up to you. We have nothing to say. Thank you. Because the voice of the people, they demand that DC office should not be moved. We have not moved anybody from DC office Dimapur to Chumokidima. That you should understand. You know, but you are not highlighting what authority has been moved from DC office Dimapur. We have placed a new ADC, and sub-treasury officer is a separate creation, and ESC Sidikema is going to be supporting the ADC. So what is wrong with that?